Hello, I'm Debbie. I'm the Summer Thrifter, and this is video number 2 that I'm posting on YouTube of me going to some yard sales. So what you'll see in this video are 2 days, across 2 days, a Friday and a Saturday, and hopefully you'll enjoy seeing the things that I picked up, the things that I didn't pick up, and I think you can see behind me some of the things that I got last week that you saw me pick up last week. And then at the end of this video, you'll see a haul of all the things I gathered over Friday and Saturday at these yard sales. So I hope you enjoy and you'll stick to the end and see what I got. Morning.
You don't want that? I the one last time up on the. Give me that action, it's mine.
Would you happen to take 10 on this? Would you take 10?
With a knocker?
Yeah.
Sure.
Okay, thank you so much.
I usually don't do that so early in the day.
Oh, I appreciate it though.
Yeah, we didn't even. That happens sometimes when you have so much stuff.
Right,
and too much room for it.
Do you have change for 20? I owe you 14.
Well, I know I do. I just have to-
Sure. Oh
No,
no.
that's not the way to do it, Susan. I'll give it out here.
Oh, it is getting muggy out here.
No, that's what I was thinking.
Oh no. There you go. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Enjoy.
Have a good day.
You will.
Thanks. Right. Oh no. You've got some shade here too. Oh yeah, it was supposed to. It was so bad. So it's great. Right. Right. Have a great day.
a lot.
Thank you so much. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you.
How much were you asking on the photograph here?
How about you give me a good price and I'll give it to you?
Oh, goodness sake.
And I'll put you on the spot. Would you like $5?
Yeah, $5 sounds good. That's what I had in mind.
All right. Well, we're on the same page then.
Awesome. Thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Thanks.
Trying to downsize, but
There's always room for one.
yeah. I just want to get rid of
Thank you.
I used to cut put stuff in and stuff by my little chair, so thank you. Have a good day.
Look at that little doggy. Good morning.
Morning.
You okay? Look at all the sewing stuff. Thank you so much.
Do you want a bag?
No, I think we're good.
Okay.
We're just right there. Thank you so
Okay,
much.
thanks.
Have a great day.
You too.
Thanks.
There's people like caddy corner they're set up. They have like a few things.
Yeah, maybe not 40.
They might have, hopefully they have some sports stuff. No, I don't need to go look, but you know, you can always peek over.
Look how thin that is. Isn't that pretty?
Almost anything at all.
Oh, absolutely. Yeah.
Ooh. That's a pretty dish. Do you have change for a 10 by chance? This is 3.
Yeah. If you have a $2 bill, I'd call it a day with 2.
Oh, I would love that. That would be
that
awesome.
works.
Thank you. I appreciate it. Oh, no. Sorry. Thank you so much. Thanks, babe. That's pretty cool, isn't it? Huh? Ooh, good eyes. Did we already come from there? No, we haven't. Thank you. You're like my spotter. What? Oh, the Cabbage Patch Kid. Cool. This looks like K-Cheese. Oh my goodness sake.
Que no está tan caro, ¿no? Como ese one.
Oh my gosh, it looks exactly like the one she had. That's so funny. I don't know. I really don't know. Yeah, I see that. My sister had one that looked just like that when we were
My mom
kids.
had it, and she had it sitting on her couch. Nobody played with it; it just sat there.
Oh, funny.
So, yeah.
Yep.
And she kept the box, but as you can see,
It's had some love.
You're right.
How much are you asking for that?
Oh, I don't know. Make me an offer.
Oh goodness. Let me think on it.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
fine. That's fine.
Thank you. Would you take $5 on that for the
what?
Cabbage Patch Kid?
Yeah.
Yeah? Awesome.
Is that going to be yours?
Right.
No.
Thank you so much. Have a good day. Thanks. Good morning. Is it still morning? Yeah, okay.
Oh, is it? That's the RVs,
Oh, okay.
Or travel
Awesome.
trailers.
Yeah. Very good. I'm going to take this bowl set. So, there you go.
Awesome.
Awesome. Thank you so much. Thank you.
Yeah. See you later.
Okay, I am back from our weekend yard sales. There were a ton of community yard sales all throughout my area, and it just took a long time to get from house to house, and I know I missed some stuff, but I'm really pleased with what I got, so I thought I'd walk you through it real fast here. The first thing I got here is this beautiful striped shirt. It's a US size 4, and it says it's from Jules Clothing of Great Britain. And so it's really, really nice, super thick material, and this cute bunny embroidered on there. So, so I thought that was really nice, and it's got the nice branding on the sides. So I think, this is a good one. And then I found this, Lauren Active from Lauren Ralph Lauren, and it's a size medium. This is a women's, cardigan, and it's got this beautiful stripe on it. This is in excellent condition, so I'm pretty stoked about that one. This one is a bit of a conundrum to me. I tried to Google lens it, and it's coming up Peggy Carr, which I think is pretty accurate. It's pressed glass. It's in the same style as Peggy Carr, but the signature here is so confusing. I can't quite make it out, and it doesn't look quite like Peggy Carr. So I'm not sure about this one. But anyway, no matter who made it, it's a beautiful print in pressed glass. And I think this will sell really well for someone who'd like it for their Christmas decor. This is a Port Marion oil pitcher, I guess. So you can see the Port Marion on the bottom, the Botanic Garden pattern. So this is also in excellent condition. It's really cute, so somebody might want that. So these napkin rings here and these ornaments, I'm not sure about these. I'm kind of thinking some, starting to get some Christmas things, because before we know it, we'll be through summer and people start thinking Christmas things. So, but these are napkin rings. These really pretty, they're glass. Like the tag says, onion red jewel. And so they look like Christmas ornaments on napkin rings, which I thought was very pretty. They're from Sur La Table. That's how you say that. And so I thought somebody might want those. And so I purchased those, and they came with these other glass ornaments that are really pretty. They're kind of on the heavier side of glass, and same shape as as on the napkin ring, but unfortunately this one is cracked, or the little bottom here is broken off. So I'm not sure what I'm going to do with those. I might just lot it all together and make sure that anybody looking at it knows. This print is called Loon with Chick by Don Lileger. I'm not sure how to say the last name, but you can see the signature there, and then it's also printed on the print itself. It's super, super cool. Really pretty print. So I was super pleased with that. It is matted and in a frame. The frame doesn't feel super expensive or like high quality, but somebody who purchases that is welcome to switch it out into a nicer frame. But it does have the matting there, which is nice because it has the green that kind of matches the print. This is a Patricia Nash leather wallet. I thought this was super, super pretty and cute. It's got the credit card area and your dollar bill area, and then this nice change purse here with the ID on the outside, and there's an ID area on the inside as well. So I thought that was really nice. I have 3 cross stitch kits here. I'm not sure how much these will go for on eBay, but I didn't pay a whole lot for them, and so hopefully they'll go. This is a really nice winter scene. This one's really pretty. It's got the 4 seasons, different front doors with the different seasons. I just thought that was super, super pretty. I love doing cross stitch myself. I just haven't done it in a long time. This one would take a pretty long time, especially for a novice like me, but it is, I'm sure it's gorgeous when it's finished. And this one I just thought was super cute if someone would like to make it for a family member's new baby or something. I thought that one was sweet. I picked up these 2 calculators. This one is the TI-83, which I've had some good luck with selling online. This one I've never tried to sell online before, but it's the TI-30XS. And so it will, I'm not sure what that will go for at all, but it's got, you know, like a scientific calculator. And it's got its case and instructions and stuff. So, so I think these will sell pretty well. This is really pretty. This is a Pottery Barn brushed, oh no, bronze. That's what I want to say, brushed bronze door knocker. And what's really cool about this one is this is glass, so it's a nautical theme. Looks like a porthole. And then this glass twists off, and you can put whatever you want on here on the inside. So, you know, you can put your monogram in there, or you can put some other like something, whatever you want to put in there, but it's got all its hardware and stuff. It's never been used, which is nice. So it's open package, but it's brand new. This is a Ziggy special delivery stuffed animal or plush. It has a vinyl head and face, and then this nice plush body. And I only picked him up because my grandma used to love Ziggy, and I recognized him right away. And he wasn't listening, or he wasn't. They weren't asking for very much for him, so I thought somebody might like him. He is vintage. Let me find the tag here for you. So, he is vintage. So those are Roman numerals. Okay. So he is he is vintage. I believe the tag says 1988 on there, and so he's super cute. I'm sure somebody will like to own him. He's like a special Valentine's Day special delivery mail bag. Isn't that cute? So that's the Ziggy I picked up. Then over here we have this Vera Bradley cosmetic like hanging case. So you can see that there. Super nice. It's in great condition. So I think this will sell well. I love this pattern. I've never owned this pattern myself, but it's super, super pretty, super like floral and feminine. Got this awesome 1985 Cabbage Patch Kid. Now this is not brand new in box. Obviously the box has seen some love, and but she is in excellent condition and was not played with according to her owner, her previous owner. So, but I will get her out of the box and check her out before I list her and disclose all of the things that she's not brand new in box. These are Crate and Barrel mixing bowls. We have this nice green on this side, and then this like magenta, well, burgundy, I guess, right? You know, would that be more? So like this dark red here. Unfortunately, when I got this out into the sunlight, there is a crack in the bowl. So I plan on, these bowls are from Crate and Barrel and were made in Portugal. I will probably sell the large bowl with whatever the comp price would be. I'll list it for its comped price. And then I'll just include the smaller bowl for no charge and disclose that it has a crack in it. Here is a metal Pottery Barn frame. I did not pay very much for this, so I wasn't too bummed that the mat is missing. So somebody used this and took the mat out, and so I will disclose that in my listing as well. And then here I have some vintage Tupperware cases that I'll lot together. These are all made in USA, so they're in really, really great shape. I'm not sure what you would use this one for, but there it is. So super excited about these, and I don't think that's so bad for just a little bit of shopping on Friday. I spent maybe an hour and a half, 2 hours on Friday, and then most of Saturday morning, and got all these nice things that I get to list on eBay. So thanks for coming with me, and I hope you enjoy more of these videos. If you would like and subscribe, you can know when those videos are up, and you can join me the next time I go out and find some things that we can resell on eBay.